are now in Kolob Canyon. We just left Kanarra Falls Trail. Y'all should check out that video. That was amazing. Decided to come do this 1 mile short hike, super easy. Timber Creek Overlook Trail here in Kolob Canyon. This is part of Zion National Park. So no extra fees. We've already paid for the weekly pass at Zion. So we're gonna go check out this trail. So since we just left the Kanarra Falls Trail, Shayna's out here hiking in his flip-flops.
Why don't you go ahead?
The other hiking shoes are soaked, so do what you gotta do. So there's a 5-mile scenic loop into Kolob Canyon. That was the time lapse we did. That was so pretty. This trail, super easy, not much elevation gain at all. I think it was like 100 and something feet elevation gain. So anybody can come do this trail, even Shane in his flip-flops. It's like so different on this other side. We made it to the top, totally worth the super easy hike. Lots of really good views up here. It's time for a beer. We're gonna get some dinner and it's beer 30. Alright guys, so this is at the top of